Hey folks, let's get real for a second. When the world feels unpredictable and highways start looking less like commutes and more like potential lifelines, the idea of a truck gun stops being theory and starts feeling downright essential. We're not talking about wall hanger antiques or shiny safe queens. This is about compact, rugged tools you can stash in your rig and bring into play when seconds matter. The right firearm in your vehicle can mean the difference between being caught flat-footed and being ready to protect what matters most. And in this lineup, you'll see everything from folding pistols that disappear into a backpack to bullpup shotguns with magazine capacities that'll make you grin. Stick around, because each of these guns brings its own twist to the survival equation. Some you might know, some will surprise you, but all are worth a hard look. Don't forget to hit like and follow Survival Gear Showcase so you don't miss the full ride. Smith & Wesson M&P 12. When shotgun capacity is needed without a long barrel getting in the way, the M&P 12's bullpup layout answers with surgical efficiency. The design places the action in dual magazine tubes behind the pistol grip, shortening overall length while keeping effective internal ballistics equivalent to a full-length 18.5 19-inch working barrel. That geometry yields high-capacity factory configurations, pushing 8-10 rounds per tube depending on shell length, while keeping the footprint compact for underseat stowage or vertical mounting inside a truck cab. Robust polymer overmolds cover the exterior, with steel internals where wear matters. Tube feed ramps, extractor surfaces, and the bolt face are hardened for repeated service loads. Ergonomically, AR-style controls reduce the learning curve. Familiar safety placement, magazine release that mimics AR movements, and an ambidextrous carrier that mitigates handedness issues when manipulating from a driver's seat or from awkward angles. Functionally, the M&P 12 accepts standard 2 3/4 and 3 shells, enabling quick switches between birdshot for training or small game and 0-0 buck or slugs for hard stopping. The bullpup layout complicates reloading technique. Compared with a conventional pump, topping off differs and practice is mandatory, but in tight spaces the trade-off is clear. More rounds ready without a larger package. Typical street price sits roughly $1,200 to $1,600, positioning it as a mid-premium option for users who prioritize capacity and compact storage. Palmetto State Armory AKV. The AKV translates the AK layout into a compact pistol-caliber carbine while retaining the platform's core virtues: simple geometry, durability, and ease of maintenance. Mechanically, it is a blowback 9mm built on an AK-style trunnion and bolt carrier group, providing the tactile familiarity of AK ergonomic side charging and robust controls with a reliable, overbuilt receiver interface. The 10.5 11-inch nitrided barrel balances maneuverability and acceptable ballistic performance for a PCC, while the top rail and dust cover mounting support red dot optics without exotic adapters. Design attention centers on handling in tight, cluttered environments. Oversized safety lever surfaces for gloved operation, extended controls for easier manipulation when braced inside a vehicle, and a paddle mag release option on some variants to speed changes. As a 9mm platform, it pairs well with common pistol magazines in some builds, or with dedicated AK pattern 9mm magazines in others, a logistic simplifier for users already running 9mm sidearms. The blowback system yields fewer moving parts and greater tolerance for cheap ammunition or adverse storage conditions, making the AKV a rugged, value-oriented truck option. Expected pricing falls in the $450–$700 band depending on configuration and materials. Keltech KS7. The KS7 addresses the short shotgun problem from a different angle. A true 12-gauge bullpup tuned for simplicity and one-handed practicality. The design centers on a single-tube magazine under the receiver and a bottom ejection port, keeping spent casings from fouling the user in cramped vehicles. The receiver is mostly polymer, with steel reinforcement where pressure and wear occur, producing a sub-6 lb package that resists flex and maintains consistent barrel alignment. A 14-18-inch internal barrel, depending on model, preserves muzzle energy for buckshot or slugs while keeping overall length near 26 inches short enough for many truck mounts or underseat systems. Operationally, Keltech prioritizes an uncomplicated manual of arms, a top carry handle with integrated sights, a large paddle safety, and a pump action with a positive, Short stroke engineered for minimal slop. The bullpup layout places the ejection low and rearward. Combined with bottom ejection, it is less likely to kick shells into confined corners inside a cab or to interfere with passengers. Capacity is limited relative to tube-fed alternatives of equal length, but the KS7's pointability, lightweight, and small footprint make it an excellent choice for quick-access defensive use or as a compact truck shotgun. Typical retail sits around $700–$900. Magpole FTP9. The FTP9 takes its identity from how compact it becomes when folded. Roughly an 11 times 5-inch package that fundamentally changes where a PCC can be stored. Its internals draw heavily from the ZEV OZ9 Gen 5 architecture, but are reworked into a folding chassis built around 4,140 steel and a hybrid slide, yielding a robust, metal-centric core and a nearly pocketable form factor. This design sacrifices nothing in strength for portability. With critical components in steel and nitride coated, it maintains corrosion and wear resistance, while the folding geometry reduces snag points when stowed. In practical terms, it carries a 7-inch barrel and reaches an unfolded length near 20 inches, preserving the ballistic stability needed to engage targets at extended distances for a PCC. Shooters routinely report hits on steel beyond typical pistol ranges. The deployment mechanism, pressing the charging handle while stowed, supports one-handed practice motions that transition from concealment to ready in seconds, a critical trait for vehicle or courier carry where space and hands are limited. An MSRP around $1,600 in steel construction position it as a durable compact platform rather than a disposable toy, suited to kits that must survive rough carriage and occasional hard impacts. In application, it excels wherever concealment and quick deployment matter most: under seats, in locked glove compartments, or in specialized courier bags. Its accuracy, window, and folding footprint make it a superior choice when carbine-like performance is required without bringing an obvious rifle into the cab. Pivot 9mm carbine. The pivot approaches the same problem from a different mechanical angle. It collapses by rotating the top half of the rifle around the lower. Using a patented hinge action that delivers a full-length 16-inch barrel in firing configuration, and a package only slightly longer than the barrel when collapsed. That geometry trades hinge complexity for an unmistakably small stow length, enabling storage in places where other short rifles cannot be kept. The design also threads the barrel for suppressors and feeds from standard Glock 19 magazines, a deliberate logistics move that standardizes mags and rounds between sidearm and carbine, particularly at 9mm. Materials choices: steel, aluminum, and polymer keep weight around 5 pounds unloaded, a realistic compromise between durability and carry comfort. Because the pivot uses full-length barrel dynamics when deployed, muzzle velocity is not sacrificed. Yet, when collapsed, it becomes a non-threatening package that moves quickly from storage to firing position. In application, the pivot suits operators who want a full-power carbine that will not scream rifle while sitting in a vehicle or pack. It provides full-size performance with near-pistol stowage, making it an excellent solution for one-weapon logistics without a two-gun footprint. Remington TAC 14. The TAC 14 presents a deliberate answer to the short 12-gauge problem. It keeps a 14-inch barrel and an overall length just under NFA thresholds, while delivering the handling characteristics of a pistol grip pump. Design highlights include a bird's head grip that shortens the overall footprint, a smooth pump action engineered to feel tight and bearing-like, and a compact mass that still handles full defensive 12-gauge ammunition reliably. The short barrel and pump geometry allow operation in narrow corridors or seated positions where a long shotgun would be unwieldy. The TAC-14 functions as a close-quarters shock tool, room entry, vehicle choke points, or any scenario where extreme maneuverability outweighs range. Ergonomics, comfortable contours, and a smooth pump stroke reduce user fatigue and allow faster follow-up shots without sacrificing reliability. Because it remains a 12-gauge, it retains access to a wide array of shell types, buck, slugs, and birdshot for roll flexibility. The design intentionally places function over aesthetic, a fast, point-and-drive gun that is easy to train with and forgiving of stress-induced inputs. Springfield Armory Kuna. The Kuna flips the PCC's grip by employing a roller-delayed action instead of simple blowback, a purposeful choice that yields a smoother, softer impulse with lighter bolt mass, reducing felt recoil and improving controllability for rapid strings of fire from a compact platform. The upper is machined aluminum with an anodized finish, while the lower is reinforced polymer, a hybrid that balances heat management and weight without unnecessary bulk. A 6-inch barrel and sub-1 6-inch overall footprint define a true PDW intended for backpacks or vehicle compartments where rapid, stable fire remains required. Controls are deliberately ambidextrous. Bolt release, mag release, and charging handle options and translucent 30-round magazines provide immediate round count awareness. These small design choices matter when operating from tight, dynamic positions. In practice, the Kuna offers a compact package that stays controllable for aimed fire and effective at short to mid-ranges, making it an outstanding option as a primary vehicle carbine or an emergency vehicle to foot transition piece. Charles Daly Honcho. The Honcho makes its purpose clear at first grasp. A brutally simple, ultra-compact 12-gauge optimized for handheld point-and-drive use. The design removes the long stock and replaces it with a bird's head grip and short fore-end, yielding a package with a 14-inch barrel and a radically reduced overall length that fits where a full shotgun does not. The receiver is typically aluminum, with a steel barrel, a mix that cuts weight while keeping the bore and chamber robust for repeated 12-gauge service. Fixed grip geometry and aggressive texturing provide instinctive purchase, encouraging true point-and-shoot ergonomics rather than forcing traditional shoulder-mounted marksmanship. In application, the Honcho serves as a shock tool for the last few meters. It mounts vertically behind a seat, slides into a side panel, or stashes in a courier pouch where a long gun cannot fit. It excels in vehicle-to-vehicle transitions and immediate close-quarters defense, where a decisive, high-energy round must reach the target in under a second. Training emphasis rests on magazine divided by tube management and one-handed presentation drills, plus controlled short-range patterning with buckshot and slugs to confirm point of aim to point of impact in confined spaces. Smith & Wesson M&P FPC 10mm. The M&P FPC rethinks the vehicle carbine through folding convenience and a straight blowback 10mm platform. The folding receiver architecture allows the entire upper to collapse over or beside the lower, producing a compact transport length suited to underseat stowage or a dedicated vehicle compartment. S&W augments the basic blowback system with a tungsten-infused buffer and a tuned recoil spring to control bolt velocity and reduce felt impulse. Important with a stout cartridge like 10mm, which otherwise delivers significant recoil in a lightweight PCC chassis. Key design choices favor serviceability and quick access. A full-length optics rail and M-lock handguard for lights, red dots, and foregrips, and 3 magazines stored in the stock on shipment, reflecting a logistics-first mindset. The 16.25-inch threaded barrel delivers real velocity benefits over pistol-length tubes and permits a brake or suppressor for muzzle control and signature reduction. Controls are straightforward, ambidextrous, where it counts, enabling transitions from right or left side storage positions without fumbling. Palmetto State Armory Jackal 9. The Jackal studies compact carbine ergonomics executed with blowback simplicity. It keeps a short threaded 6.5-inch approx barrel in some variants, while preserving a full-length top rail for optics and a modular M-lock handguard for mission accessories. PSA's captured buffer and short upper reduce overall profile when folded or stowed, and the blowback operation eliminates complex gas systems, making maintenance and field stripping straightforward for non-armorer users. The result is a platform with clean controls, predictable timing, and strong parts commonality in the PCC class. Design emphasis includes user-accessible controls, ambidextrous charging and selector. We're offered a rear Picatinny interface for side-folding braces, and a handguard length that balances pistol handling with carbine control. The captured buffer reduces slap and helps keep the platform rigid under rapid strings of fire, improving follow-up accuracy compared with loose buffered blowback PCCs. Pricing lands where value meets capability, enabling multiple vehicles or kits to be outfitted without excessive cost. Conclusion. When the dust settles, the truth is simple. A smart truck gun setup is less about bravado and more about options, training, and reliability. Choose platforms that match your worst-case scenarios: compact rifles for control, shotguns for stopping power, and folding or pivot systems when concealment and ease of carry matter. Practice deployment, verify magazines and ammo types, and keep maintenance routines so the tool you trust won't fail when it counts. Remember legal boundaries and storage best practices. Readiness without responsibility is a liability. If you found this useful, Smash the like button, subscribe to Survival Gear Showcase, and hit the bell so you don't miss hands-on reviews and deployment drills. Share this with the folks who keep you sharp. Join the community and stay ready.